Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Broken Branch Wood Shop. My name is Mark, and today we have several. We're only going to turn one, but we have several of these deer antler pen blanks that's been cast in. It's got some blue resin, some white pearl resin, different things like that, with cut up different deer antlers. And we've got a few of them that we haven't done anything with, but I've got another one that I've already got drilled out and got the tubes glued up in it. So what we're going to do today is go ahead and take it over to the sander and get the ends of it squared up. And what I like to do with resin like this that has a little bit harder stuff in there, so rather than turning down from the corners, what we're going to do is whenever we square off the ends of the tube, I'm just going to go ahead and take it on the sander and get these edges knocked down and get them rounded over just a little bit. Makes it easier on the tools, takes some of the time off the turning, and I just feel like it helps in the process, because it doesn't take much for the oscillating sander to do that, but it is kind of rough on the tools. And when you have the sharp edges, then you kind of run the risk of tearing out in the early stages of turning the blank. So we're going to do that, and let's see how it turns out. I really like how both of these pins turned out. They're each of them's a little bit different in their own way. You've got more of the kind of round end grain of the deer antlers in this one, and more of the long grain on this side. But both of these pins just, in my opinion, turned out amazing. I really like the archery kit on these. It's got the pin clip is the bow, and then it's got a little broadhead down here for the tip of the pin. Broadheads around the center band, and then the top up here is like a quiver of arrows. And I think to pair this up with a deer antler kit is just amazing. And like I said, I really like how these things turned out. So if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think about these, or maybe what you would have done different, and share it. It really goes a long way with these videos, and I really appreciate you guys' time and tuning in to check these out, and it really means a lot. So until next time, be safe out there, and we'll see you back in the shop. Thanks a lot.